Choosing your first Sony E-mount lens can be confusing. The key things beginners should focus on are ease of use, autofocus performance, versatility, and price-to-performance ratio. Here are top 5 options to consider. All buying links are given in description and tagged below. Number 5. Sirui Aurora 85mm. The Sirui Aurora 85 f1.4 is the best beginner lenses for Sony E-mount because it perfectly balances price, performance, and ease of use. Its fast f1.4 aperture allows beginners to achieve beautiful background blur and shoot confidently in low light without needing expensive lighting setups. Unlike many 85mm lenses that are heavy and expensive, this lens is lightweight at around 540 grams, making it easy to handle for long shooting sessions or handheld videos. This is especially helpful for new creators still getting comfortable with camera gear. It also features fast and accurate autofocus, which reduces missed shots and helps beginners capture sharp portraits effortlessly. Overall, the Sirui Aurora 85 f1.4 delivers premium portrait quality at a budget-friendly price, making it a perfect starting point for beginners entering portrait photography or videography. Number 4. Tamron 70-300. The Tamron 70-300 is the best beginner telephoto lenses for Sony E-mount because it makes long-range photography simple, affordable, and highly practical. Its zoom range allows beginners to easily capture distant subjects like wildlife, sports, and candid portraits without needing expensive gear. A major advantage is its ultra-lightweight design, making it the world's smallest and lightest 70-300 telephoto lens. This makes handheld shooting comfortable, which is perfect for beginners still learning stability and framing. The lens also features a quiet and accurate RXD autofocus motor, helping users get sharp shots without struggling with focus. Plus, it works seamlessly with Sony features like IAF, improving hit rate for portraits and moving subjects. Overall, the Tamron 70-300mm is ideal for beginners who want to explore telephoto photography with ease, portability, and great value. Number 3. Sony 10-20. The Sony PZ10-20 is the best beginner video lenses for Sony E-mount because it's specifically built for content creators and vloggers. Its ultra-wide range makes it easy to fit more in the frame. A standout feature is its power zoom, which allows smooth, professional-looking zoom transitions, something beginners usually struggle to achieve manually. This makes your videos look more cinematic right from the start. It's also the world's smallest and lightest ultra-wide f4 power zoom lens, making it super easy to carry. The lens features fast, quiet autofocus with internal zoom and focus, meaning no lens extension or noise during recording, perfect for clean audio and stable footage. With a constant f4 aperture, beginners get consistent exposure while zooming, making video shooting simpler and more predictable, making it the perfect beginner video lens because it combines ease of use, portability, and pro-level video features in one compact package. Number 2. Sigma 16-28. The Sigma 16-28 is the best beginner wide-angle lenses for Sony E-mount because it delivers pro-level results in a compact and easy-to-use design. Its 16-28 range is perfect for landscapes, vlogging, and everyday wide shots, giving beginners creative flexibility right away. A key advantage is its constant f2.8 aperture, which allows better low-light performance and natural background blur, features usually found in expensive lenses. It also offers excellent edge-to-edge sharpness, helping beginners get professional-looking results without much effort. Despite this performance, the lens is very lightweight, making it easy to carry and ideal for handheld shooting or travel. Its internal zoom design keeps the lens stable, which is especially helpful for video and gimbal use. Compared to Sony's premium wide lenses, It's much more affordable while still delivering high-quality images, making it a smart entry point for beginners. Number 1. Sigma 16-300. The Sigma 16-300 is the best beginner all-round lenses for Sony E-mount because it covers an incredible 16-300 range, letting you shoot everything from landscapes to wildlife without changing lenses. It's the world's first mirrorless lens with an 18.8 times zoom, making it extremely versatile for beginners who want simplicity. Despite its huge range, it remains relatively compact, making it easy to carry for travel and everyday use. The built-in optical stabilization helps beginners get sharp images even when shooting handheld, while fast autofocus ensures reliable results. Another standout feature is its macro capability, allowing beginners to experiment with close-up photography without needing another lens. Overall, this lens replaces multiple lenses in your bag, making it perfect for beginners who want one lens to do it all. Simple, versatile, and cost-effective. Subscribe, and if you're looking Sony lenses for your camera, check out this videos.